Hey everyone, let's talk about the new phones and dual cameras. It's trending that way. I don't see that changing anytime soon, so we have to adapt. And what we found with these new dual lens cameras and even the 3-lens cameras is they work extremely well. Each camera has its purpose. This is our phone Skope case. This is for the iPhone X. It does have an adjustable adapter plate, so if you want to center it over the wide angle lens at the top or the telephoto at the bottom, you're welcome to do so. You easily just slide this adapter plate up and down. So with that said, each camera we have found works best in certain situations. We found that the wide angle lens works better in low light. This is due to having a larger aperture, so it's allowing more light to your camera sensor in the phone. This is going to keep from your images being noisy or grainy or having all that extra dots and fuzz in there. So that's when you'll want to use a wide angle lens. You can also use it at any time when it's sunny out or whatnot, but you are going to experience more vignetting when you're using it on your optics. That's just because it's a wider field of view and you're just going to be picking up more of the tube of your optic. That's where we really like the telephoto lens. Now most of these telephoto lenses on the phones, they don't work as well as a wide angle and low light. It's just because the aperture is smaller, which means it's allowing in less light. So you are going to have more noise or fuzz in your image, but it is going to help a ton with vignetting. That's why we use the telephoto lens on the OtterBox and LifeProof case adapters for that reason. Just helps to eliminate the vignette. So what's nice about having the phone in this phone Skope case is you are able to select which one you'd like to use. All you do is just press the thumb tab over on this iPhone X and just slide it up. There you go. So now we're centered over the wide angle. If I want to center it back over the telephoto, just press this over and down. You're ready to go. Throw it on my spotting scope here, and you're set, ready to take high quality pictures and video using your smartphone and your optics. If you have other questions about the dual lens camera, drop us a line, support@phoneskope.com. You can also drop a comment below. If you are not, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a ton, as well as like this video. If you'd like to see more videos, leave us that comment below. Make sure you're following us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you have questions and you'd like to talk to a real person on the phone, give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thanks. Have a good day.